Hey y'all. Um, this is a song I wrote called Rain Down on Me or Southern Storm. It goes by both names. Um, I don't like to see my face on video, so that's why you can't see it. But I thought it would be appropriate to sing for y'all today. Rain down on me like a southern storm, and just hold me close and keep me warm. Let yesterday go like the setting sun, and rain down on me like a southern storm, and wrap me in your love like a summer wind. Let the clouds roll on. We don't have to pretend. It's been way too long since our hearts come undone. So rain down on me like a southern storm. Well, there's a silence between us, it's tearing me apart, and sometimes it chills me to the bone. The love of our past, it lingers in our eyes. All we need is a southern storm. So rain down on me like a southern storm, and just hold me close and keep me warm. Let yesterday go like the setting sun, to rain down on me like a southern storm. Rain down on me like a southern storm.